Hey guys, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. What are you doing? Hi. There we go. And welcome back to Raquel's channel. Where's Renee, you say? She's a little bit tied up right now. But today I'm gonna do my hair routine. I'm not gonna let you go until I finish my video. I told you guys I will be back. Let's get started on my routine. First thing I like to do, that's unlike Renee, I like to pre-poo. So I'm gonna be using the Jamaican black castor oil. I got this from like Amazon or whatever. This is where I got it. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands. Oh, I said a little bit, gee. And then you're gonna just rub it in your scalp. Make sure you get it really, really good. We're gonna get a little bit more. I easily get dandruff, so I have to make sure I pre-poo and so it won't strip all the moisture out of my hair when I shampoo. So that's why I like to pre-poo. Now I'm gonna go wash and shampoo and condition. So I condition and shampoo with the same thing Renee uses. What she got in her bathroom is what I'm gonna use. And I'll be right back, okay? Your hot water be hot. Okay, so I got these clips and things so I can clip my hair back and detangle. So I'm just gonna put them in like little sections. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm using As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Yogurt. I like to use a lot of conditioner because I just like a lot of conditioner. So a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this comb. This is what she had in there. This is not a Y2 comb, y'all. Get a Y2 comb, Renee. I don't know, it's just something about when you can get that comb from the top all the way to the ends of your hair. It's something about that feeling just make you feel like you accomplished something. Or is that just me? I just finished my last piece, as you can see right there. So the gel I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Wet Line Extreme. Like really, really dirt cheap. You can get it from Sally's. You can even get this from the dollar store. Yeah, I said the dollar store. But not this particular one. You got to get the tube. It's like a little container that's for $1. But I got this from Sally's for I think about $2. Girl, I'm on a budget, okay? $2 is right up my alley, okay? So I go in and take smaller sections and finger comb the product into my hair. That's what I like to do. Help separate the curls this way. And make sure the product is evenly smooth into every section of my hair. And you're gonna do the next section the same way. So I'm all done putting the product in my hair. Now I know you guys are familiar with Renee's routine of letting it air dry, yada, yada, yada. That's all and well, that's what you wanna do. But for me, I'ma diffuse. Because it's Friday night and I gotta hit them streets. I ain't got no babies tying me down. No offense. But you know I'm telling the truth. Okay, and we're done. That's how I do my hair. Do my hair. Do my. See, I didn't ruin your video. I did the exact same thing you did, but I just put my own little twist on it. My own little twist. So that's it, ladies. You know what to do. 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 Subscribe.
Okay, let it go. And we can do this together.
You want to work together?
Okay.
Y'all heard her. Y'all heard her say she wanted to work together. So hopefully you see more of me. Now if you want me to come back, let Renee know that you like my video. Renee know that you like my video. Let Renee know that you like my video. Let Renee know.
Let it go now. Let it go now.
Anyway, ladies, I gotta go. Thanks again for watching. Bye. Subscribe. See, I know how to do a little bit of hair. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm finna untie you. Let her know you like this video. You're crazy. You're a lunatic. That's what you are.